In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft Loop, the powerful collaborative workspace app designed to enhance teamwork and streamline your projects. Let's dive in and explore how you can harness this tool for better productivity. Start by searching for Microsoft Loop using your preferred web browser. Once you've located Microsoft Loop in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open the application. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. You might be prompted to enter your password or a verification code sent to your email, so make sure to have your device handy. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a hub for all your collaborative needs. Now, let's get started with your very own workspace. Look for the New Workspace button and click on it. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to name your workspace. This can be anything from a project name to a meeting title, something that signifies its purpose for easy reference. Naming your workspace sets the stage for organization and clarity right from the outset. Once your workspace is set up, it's time to bring in your team. Invitation is simple and intuitive. You can add team members and then set permissions according to each person's role and responsibilities within the project. This ensures that everyone has access to the right materials and can collaborate effectively. Within your workspace, you can create new pages, which serve as blank canvases for all your planning, notes, and task management. Think of them as digital whiteboards where you can jot down ideas, outline plans, or even list out tasks. Creating a well-structured page helps you stay organized and focused on your goals. One of Microsoft Loop's standout features is its loop components. These are dynamic blocks of content, such as tables, lists, or other elements, that you can share easily across different Microsoft 365 apps. To create a loop component, simply select the content you want, like a table, and choose Create Loop Component. This makes collaborating across platforms seamless and efficient. After creating a loop component, you can copy it and paste it into other applications like Outlook, Teams, or Word. This flexibility allows for continued collaboration and ensures that your team stays informed no matter which tool they're using. A particularly practical feature is the syncing of changes across all platforms. Any modifications made to a component, whether it's in Teams or Word, will update automatically in all locations, keeping everyone on the same page. Microsoft Loop also offers other features like code blocks for developers, integration with Planner for task management, file sharing capabilities, and space for meeting notes. Exploring these features can further enhance how you and your team manage and execute projects. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with Microsoft Loop. With these tools at your disposal, teamwork becomes not only manageable but also more efficient and productive. Enjoy exploring and making the most out of Microsoft Loop to elevate your collaboration efforts.